All right. Andy Kerm.
You know. Players no so form. No more. You need people to manage them. Now, Sabruchi teams in the team players in the baby or motor Monsignor resource. And he said, "You the bear na Kotoko dear Sadi ni bika." Said the beer Kotoko the Omukofa players ba. We know we kun oba we indiscipline. We mu coach we mu pani we mu management we. Sadi na see over and over and baby ametia. Justice Blair asem ne ba na me kan say. Justice Blair asem no yen manenko enche kura foforo beba am che kura na foforo be. It is a joke so for players neba. You give them fast salaries, you give them a very finished accommodation on motor. That alone is not enough to grant results. You need people to manage them. And because management na kwa dadana, it's the same approach now and something at the same results now no more China.
We were ni mani bro. Frey must report na mani hunu. Oko kan ya de omo de ye no. No the entire day na go team.
Okay, players na.
Players.
It general.
It must report.
Yes.
Friend Nebusan say, "Oh yeah, tell me say they will be enye okwa akoka no. Onka the player the ground there no."
So general, the approach should change. The approach should change. So ujai obi a okroma de obi a pe bi obeye. But there should be rules and regulations. No one should be above those regulations.
Lord Amu can be odia sumbo right and left in na.
It's general.
He me kram ko bo ni okay.
General. The who can
nyeso omo nyo. Omo fellow players no cry attempt. So mbeye bibi. One fear ade be yo.
And general, there should be stiffer punishment.
At least nobody pa mi rudi.
Yes, there should be stiffer punishment. Players no mboko to konde no achieve Ghana Premier League. They no achieve. Pick them one by one. What have they achieved in the Ghana?
Someone call Lord Amo. They almost first offense into infantile.
So the approach should change.
And they have free.
And the same
this is
old.
Really first time I will be into infantile.
You know, the same old outdated approach.
Serious.
That and today be a place the baba yes adani omu akwa badani akwa no be about obabesa. So fundamentally there's something structurally wrong with the Kotoko in terms of managing the club. And yes, I will be a baba. We move na Kotoko ba watch us say 2-3 years will leave. Others will come and they will same come and repeat the same attitude that others na be. And the approach should change. The approach of managing the club should change. And yes, I be say there be a baba be discuss obi akoji obi girl obi akwa akoshia ha yakwa akobo obi asum obi atwa wall. The approach should change. None of those players is above the club. There should be stiffer punishment to deter other players from exhibiting that kind of attitude. And yes, as a Joe Sanson we ni nyina ka ho bi e na park kura nkrofo nko ni nyina ka ho bi na clubs na kromunya sponsorship because there's no positive news around the club. You know, continue to papa be at all your supporter now of ye. Now, say also person about her ball, crab, pursue say, but about football. And the style of the management should change because players will move crowd, you'll be a new the level of justice blame. We will be a new yana a high form, young for young blaster, young for no being all through the quality and the standard of the blasters. And he said, your management and tenacity. No who the approach.
Yes, Kotoko decision say the worst of it minds on bet your salary so no a players ne patrol player who ko bobo on fit team no or this base for camp.
Yes, also a patch. So whom do you blame? You blame the style of the management and people managing the club. Eh dadana yanko ye training Monday to Friday, yanko that hotel Saturday, Sunday yanko bo match no one. Someone change this style as a do. Kotoko na chikwa na eko. And the team name and this is a club of the century. Look at the kind of embarrassment that Kotoko enjoy against work of Morocco. We mobeko sa same we ati. So the approach of the management should change. Now the outdated style of managing the club in Genoa and no name Kotoko enko nenim. Say abe pacho. There should be stiffer punishment. There should be stiffer punishment. And here for no janipa. On farm ranch and in 70 said the Kotoko place in the marriage of them. Opia beye But so almost these are the rules and the regulations. And if you go contrary to it, you will be punished. So do obey steady. Inti sanse mu no omum fansema ebema club ni ho ba ni munyam na club na ya akono na corporate entities will love to sponsor the club no munya da bia obi akoji obi girl da bia players ye indiscipline Kotoko players in kwa de da bia om ye indiscipline. Why? There's something fundamentally wrong. Now, 2-3 matches of Kojito. You know a team tesa Kotoko over 5 matches. 15 points now be na 5. Oye dia crisis meeting eba. But coach Kerm did to team ya the unfancy ni team say omo no omo ye team ni na omo performing coach. Omo ye Kotoko team ni na asejo. Omo ni obia performing coach. Into ono no omo man adwuma ne say onye the main coach because of the winning FA Cup no. Any oba Kotoko within the last quarter the oba be ye change team no omo team winning trophies. Enti no omo suro say so omo ko catch fans ne say omo ko akofa foreign coach aba fans ne be dem omo. Fans never bomb machi. And no man decided said they are sticking to Coach Kerm into one fast into the team. Now to the next point. Said yo, Mijitum say players nepra. Mijitum say Abet Amwa Eko. But nobody can convince me say how team no share Kotoko no more players share Kotoko. You can raise concern about other masters like Mediama. But how players no the boy against Kotoko they said yo. They don't have quality than Kotoko. It is for that match alone I would accept the issue of injuries. And the coach, why you know your club, they will sack you because I'm performing coach. I'm telling you. It is how bad you want to players now cannot do my boy Juma. You don't want to form ball because fans will not accept injuries. Big team said yo, Carlo Ancelotti last season do be na back for no be any or my Jan Quine. Big teams will not accept injuries. Say somebody or ana abroni ho. Na se Zakaria Fuseni Beshema, nobody will accept injury because Zakaria Fuseni or and Kono men captain. Nobody will accept those injuries. So somebody wanna say Hamzata Beshema, Hamzata or Bobby or Bebo. And no one will accept those excuses. And he said, Joe, okay, say in discipline and work on that injuries, the players available. He should make good use of those players available because your uncle no bench and almost see a mobi. And those players are available now. Into on for more and yes, sir, 3 matches in the ground they will sack him.
I'm here. How to folk? Mobile 10 minutes.
The bed.
Maton suffer future stars. And so, I know Bedin Como. Nago Yadma. Ochina, right? Ewo, a year, a Jusso. Nano Kessben Park and so on. And some good work. Is it true life when a company has a Hugnana? Everybody has free true life, yeah? Yadma, Ochina. Future stars also may a similar thing at the Asante Kotoko. Inti say Joel Bonsu and a general manager future stars na vice captain so Salim Uzil and young Comra inti kamema be 30 seconds. Syllabus or 30
seconds. House of food for untimi nuyamako na nkote pineapple. League na ye born last season. Now top scorer Maule Wayo 7 goals. And Hamza is a share 5. Mokoto striker no na mko bichi na mko share mokoto player. About 21 matches the whole season share 3. The goals in ma money. And say do the fans omonti omwes ha enye amankwamre kumu da so bo haso. And they justify your inclusion players the bo haso folk. 80 fans na omonti omwes expectation so and a haso folk di no esika na ni ho. And the internal issues and these are technicalities in the brofo. Scan you. It's I see and for local players in Copa Blaster because teams in the Benyescano. Scan no find her players, no. Teams no munesca or find her players, no. By your own personal business. August Yan started league. How many months now? 10 billion asa from the coffers of Hazu. It is can omobeko omobeje, but the players will never benefit.
All right.